Good morning and welcome to Amuck Studio. This week we're going to do a Cool Tool Tuesday. I haven't done one in quite a while. And I've been working a lot in the last couple of weeks with cold connections, getting ready for my class this summer in Denver. And there's a little tool that I thought I would share because you may not even know about it. And it's not an expensive tool, thank goodness. But I use it almost daily, and it's a $5 tool that you can go pick up at your hardware store. And I'm talking today about a pin vise. It's a double-ended vise that I use to deburr, like when I drill holes for cold connections. And you always end up with a little burr of metal there that you need to clean up. And this is a great tool for that. I will take round burrs. You could use like a conical burr, and you could even use a drill bit that's larger than the hole that you've drilled. But I have a double-ended vise, so I like to just keep a couple of sizes of round burrs in here. Just tighten that up. I'm going to put a smaller round on the other end. Tighten that up, and I've got a really handy tool that I use every day that only cost me $5 plus my bits on the end. But let me show you. I'll move my coffee cup out of the way. So we want to clean up those little metal burrs. And we'll just take this, place it on top of the hole, give it a couple of spins, and we've cleaned up that piece of metal that always sticks out of the back after you've drilled. Let me do another one. Just a nice quick way to clean up those drill holes. And I like to do it even on holes, especially holes that are just going to have jump rings through it that you see. I like to do this because it kind of bevels the edges a little bit and just gives you a nicer looking hole. It just kind of ups the look of a drilled hole. See if I can get a close-up for you. But it just, you can kind of see it just bevels the edge a little bit. Makes for a nice clean hole. I'll take a still shot of that too so you can see close up. Okay, let's try and get a closer look at this. So I have some earring components that I was working on last week, and I just did that little finish. You can kind of see it gives it just a little bit of a, almost a little polished edge there. But just a really nice way to finish a drilled hole. There, that looks good. Let me see if I can zoom. Yeah. Just a little beveled edge, polishes it a little bit. A nice way to up the look of your components. Very handy little tool. Get you down closer here so you can see. Just kind of a nice, little smoother shape. And here's the back side where we got rid of those sharp edges. There you go. Put a little bit of pressure and you can get a nice beveled edge. Thank you for joining me this week for some coffee and a tool chat. And I hope you all have a great week in your studios. See you real soon.